Greetings, traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Tuesday, May 8th, 2012. Stock indices drop hard, bouncing back at day's end, but still ending in some significantly bearish territory. Dow down 76 points, down 0.6%. The S&P down 0.4%. Nasdaq down 0.4%. Russell's down not by much. Stock index futures after market are in bullish territory. Banks up a second day in a row, up 0.26%. VIX up 0.6%. Now, gold takes a massive dive today, down 1.94%. SLV down 1.9%. Crude oil down 0.5%. Commodities take a big hit. And you have US dollar up 0.23%. And a little housekeeping here. Do me a huge favor. One of our team members, Carolina, her birthday is today. And if you'd be so kind, click or send her a quick email. She will be flabbergasted by the fact that our users are emailing her to wish her a happy birthday. Carolina, like North or South Carolina, at groktrade.com. Furthermore, Nitsa Bartke right here. And if you speak Spanish or learning to speak Spanish like I am, click there and start watching her videos. Please leave her a comment. Give her a lot of good positive reinforcement. Let her know that you're watching our videos. And I think with the thousands that come in each day to watch our videos, both Nitsa, I'm getting your comments, and also Carolina and her birthday today, and you guys sending her thing, everybody, they'll be very appreciative. Oh, if you haven't done so yet, like us here on Grok Trade, and we have some mentorships coming up and some live ones coming up in Vegas if you want to join us next month. It'd be great to meet you in person. So let's get to the markets here. All right, the S&P daily, we broke down. We're on the wrong side of a trend line coming across resistance, support, support, support. Now we're on the wrong side of that. However, we do have a hammer. Lower shadow 2 times that or more of the body, which is called the real body with little to no upper shadow. We do have a hammer at the low. There is a significant chance of a bounce taking place, but here's the problem. We're below a trend line. And because of that, there's no guarantee that we're going to get a rally, a nice up leg here. On the weekly chart, we're at a big time support area coming across here. You can see resistance. We come across right here support, and we're at that support with a hammer for as far as the week is. But man, we're only Tuesday, so anything can happen. But the bottom line is we are on thin ice here in this market, gang. If we start breaking down, we are in a heap of trouble. If we make a new low from yesterday, watch out. Here's the monthly chart. We'll just start dropping, and it could be a significant little nasty drop. Let's go to the Dow here. Take a look at what happened. We are at a nice support area. If I go back, support and support. See this big dark line? We come up, 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 and support with a hammer. Found nice support at the rising 100-day moving average. Come up. Now we got a hammer. The Dow looks like it's ready to buy. So let's be watching that. The Nasdaq, nice hammer, found support to 100-day moving average like the Dow. Boom, nice little pop. Look forward to some upside potential. But check this out, resistance coming across support. We're on the wrong side of that. We're in a lot of trouble. And then on the Russell's daily, another hammer. The difference here on the Russell small caps, we closed higher than that area of support. So that is a good thing. GLD, take a look here. Big gap down. Gold just in significant trouble. It was at a point I said we were teetering on death, and sure enough, that's what happened. And if we go to a weekly here, it's just starting to break down. That's all we're seeing here. And on the monthly, here's the big problem. Support, 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 support broken. For the month, we need to rally back in hard. It needs to be an aggressive run up. I don't think that's the case. I think we are now starting to break down. So those long opportunities that I was so hopeful for, not coming to fruition. SLV silver. On the monthly, just nice little down leg here. On the weekly, just pulling back, but we're due for a bounce. On the daily, gap down. So one thing I'm looking for is if we get another gap up, this could be an abandoned baby, very rare and exotic type trading pattern. So if we do get a gap up with the open window, that could be very bullish. Let me go back to GLD and say the same thing. If we get a gap up tomorrow and we don't fill that gap, open windows, if we get that, this is a very rare abandoned baby type formation, and they can get pretty bullish after you get those. So you had one down here, not an open window, but you did have a gap down. This one an open window, and it just never looked back, just took off. Anyway, hope you've been hedged to this nastiness, because this is we're at lows right now in the markets that we've seen that we haven't seen since the last couple months. This video has gone long. I'm going to sign out. Take care, safe trading, and the reason you're not seeing the morning videos as often anymore is because I'm taking some training courses, and in those it keeps me from doing videos in the morning. So anyway, take care, safe trading.